Meghalaya today recorded 19 new positive cases and 4 recoveries. With these new cases, Meghalaya now has 448 active cases and 82 recoveries. Disclosing this at a press conference held on Wednesday, Health Minister A.L. Haq said that out of the 448 cases, 375 are in East Khasi Hills, 42 in Ribhoi, 5 in West Jaintia Hills, 3 in East Jaintia Hills, 15 in West Garo Hills, 4 in Southwest Garo Hills, 2 in South Garo Hills, and 1 each in East Garo Hills and North Garo Hills. The Director of Health Services, Dr. Aman War, informed that as of today, Meghalaya has a few areas which have been defined as containment areas. These include the Khanapara area, some areas within Kleriat and Amlarem, and the Block 2 of Lumpangat here in Shillong.
So today the new positive cases are 19. 19 new positive cases only for today. We have 13 from BSF, West Garo Hills 3 and Southwest Garo Hills 3. So this is the update of the COVID positive cases of today. Till today the recovery, they have already recovered 82 of them, and the total active cases now we have 448. East Khasi Hills alone, we have 375. 375. Laispa Nyusan. BSF 281. Others 80. Armed Forces 14. Ribhoi District 42. West Jaintia Hills District 5. East Jaintia Hills District 3, West Garo Hills District 15, Southwest Garo Hills District 4, South Garo Hills District 2, East Garo Hills District 1, and North Garo Hills 1. Kini ki break up jong ka baru ki total active cases sa state Meghalaya kilong menta Sauspa Saupra. Lagi Sauspa Saupra ki badai na po ka East Khasi Hills kilong Laispa Nyubusan, ki BSF kilong Aspa Prapuway, Armed Forces kilong Khatsao, but others kilong Prapau. Ribhoi kilong Saupuar, West Jaintia Hills kilong San, East Jaintia Hills kilong Lai, West Garo Hills kilong Khatsan, Southwest Garo Hills kilong Sao, South Garo Hills kilong R, East Garo Hills kilong Iway, but North Garo Hills kilong Iway. Kibala recovered adumenta kilong Prapu Arngut. The number of test results awaited till today, the total number is 550. In Pasir pending is 110. Negrim is 330 and Tura is 110. So total is 550.
Aduh mentah tinggi tak penuh containment zone di ketua Jakarta kepada ibu Khanapara, Wei Khanapara area. Kebar mereka di stage po Kleriat di Jakarta ni ada baik. Kebalai Amlarem berkuasa mengidang declare menini kedai Lumpangat. Kedai keju Lumpangat Bukti Negara kedai keju kita perkara tang blok 2. Apa Amlarem mentang nginang le contact tracing. Nginang wat hukum nu bagi yo iya kan ya bagi long positif lain ko piang pite contact tracing ke bahaya ke babun bahamu mendai tang ni bagi dantang ni dukan kile chiyeng kile cha kiwi bayab beri gi penting hab contact tracing babun mah ji kata hilawan ai jebak tang hadir anak hadir buat mereka government dia kalau all out ya kan ni ai ka sakri go hatam ya berapa jadi